Hey, it's Lisa and I'm always cooking. And today I'm going to be making Hungarian goulash. Now, this probably is not traditional or authentic for two reasons. First, I'm going to be cooking it in the Instant Pot. And second, I don't have a Hungarian grandmother that has ever cooked me goulash. Nonetheless, let's make goulash. I want roughly equal parts of onions and carrots chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 bell pepper, diced on the large side, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 2 teaspoons paprika, and 1 teaspoon of whole caraway seeds that I am going to grind in my spice grinder, 8 ounces of egg noodles, 1 pound of smoked Hungarian sausage. This is a local company that does amazing sausages. They do ship, so I will put the details in the description box. 3½ cups of beef broth. And to finish, we'll need a 1/4 cup of chopped parsley and a dollop of sour cream. Even though this is store-bought, I usually make my own. Go check it out. Set the cooker to saute and pour in 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot enough, drop in the onions and a pinch of salt and give them a minute head start before adding in the carrots. Next ingredient that should go in is the garlic, but I forgot about it, even though it's right in front of my face. Now the ground caraway and paprika. Cook until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Adding in pepper, some more salt, and the tomato paste, and stir it around to warm it up. And I will be doing the same thing with the bouillon paste. Add in a splash of the water or broth to deglaze the pan. Make sure you get all of the bits up off the bottom or you will get a burn warning later. Adding in the noodles. Oh, look at that. Forgot the garlic. Stir to coat the noodles and add in the rest of the water or broth. Place diced peppers and sliced sausages on top. Make sure the noodles are submerged in liquid. If not, add a 1/2 cup of water. Lid, seal, and cook for 1 minute. Go ahead and quick release the pressure. Open it up, stir in the parsley, and you're ready to serve. Here we are with Hungarian goulash. It's the caraway that makes it. Definitely try some Hungarian goulash. Thanks for watching.